Hello guys, welcome to Core in Digitals. Myself Mohammed Nadeem, and in this video today we are going to talk about SEO. Okay, so what is SEO and why the SEO is important for your any specific business website? So guys, SEO is called search engine optimization. Might be you are getting to know that what is exactly the search engine optimization. Here we are finding the strategy or the plan to optimize the search engine for your any specific business website to rank your business website on top results of the Google page. Okay, so guys, here what exactly will happen, like most of the business owners who wants those website will be ranked on the Google page, and here on behind of this particular strategy we are the people who do the SEO of your any specific business website. So guys, suppose example, you are the business owner and you have prepared your business website already, and your business website is already listed on Google, and I am the person who is looking for any of the product and services which you are the person is giving to people or to your customers. So I can directly go to Google page and I can search over there that related to any specific product and services which like I was looking for, and I have found the top results in which your website is ranking over there. So I am the person directly visiting to your website and your product and services are interested, so I can like go through that product and services and I can directly buy from yours. So what will happen in this particular chain, guys, I became a customer of yours and I am the new customer of yours. So like that only majority of the traffic will visit to your business website, and from there these people also convert as a lead like me, and directly you are the person who like the close the deal like how you have closed with me. So like that only your business will run with the help of the SEO services, with the help of your business website. So here guys, this is the time taking process. First of all, it takes around might be 4 to 6 months of time for rank your business website on the top 10 results of the Google. And apart from that guys, we have the three objects in this particular SEO process. First is on page SEO, second is off page SEO, and third is technical SEO. So what exactly happen in the on page SEO, guys? So in the particular on page SEO process, we are the people who can like make the changes in your website as per your requirement. We can change the content over there, we can like add and remove the images and the other stuff, like whatever the requirement you have. What is off page SEO, guys? In the off page SEO, we do the work like we prepare the backlinks. Like the backlinks is the strategy we have to prepare, we have to create the backlinks, and we will submit those particular backlinks in the directory websites. So like Google will understand that this particular business is also coming under this particular category, so as per the search result it will like show your website also on the top 10 results of the Google page. So this is the complete separate strategy to this particular strategy we can call the off page SEO. And what is technical SEO, guys? The technical SEO is also very important for your business website. Why? Because as per the Google's guideline, Google may suggest to the any specific website that your website won't take the much more load time, or your website pages will be opened fast enough and your website will be secure and all. So this all kind of stuff comes under the technical SEO. So we even do the work for your any any of the business website. We can like make your website secure, it won't be a virus comes in any of the business website, and like we can protect your website with the spamming and all. So this all kind of stuff comes under the technical SEO side. So here guys, these all strategies will take time to rank on the Google page, and here guys, this is the time taking process as I told already, and it takes hard work to for like ranking your website and Google, and continuously we have to do work on your specific website, so Google can learn and understand your business model, and Google can show your business website to the particular like the websites whichever is already ranking on the Google page. So as I told you that it takes time. So guys, a few of the business owners like suppose example, recently one business owner has started the new business, and if he is like taking the SEO service, so as I told you that it takes the 4 to 6 months of time. So in the initial stage the business owner can't like go for the SEO service. Why? Because it takes time for like ranking on Google page. So if the people are coming and finding the business of yours, so your website won't be there in the top 10 results of the Google page. So that person will go to the next one business owner, and he can might be buy the product and services from the specific different person. You can go for the Google ads in initial stage, and simultaneously you can go for the SEO also, and there in the Google ads you have to spend money, And here for the SEO service in the backend process, we are the people who help you out to like rank your business website, and you can be with the SEO service only. So with the help of the SEO service also, later on your website will be ranked on the Google page, and from there also the people or the traffic will comes to your website, and from there the people will become your customer. So this all kind of strategy and plan completely we will follow for any of the business model or for any of the business website, and we are the people who can help and support to rank on Google, and we are the people who can grow your business online. So guys, if you really like this video and understand what exactly the SEO it is and what all the objectives we have in this specific services of the SEO, so guys, please hit the like button and please do subscribe and share this video to those people who are really interested into the learning of digital marketing. So we are the people who can even teach the digital marketing to the youngsters or to the anybody who are really interested into, and we are helping multiple businesses all over the globe, and we can like support and grow your business model also. So thank you so much for watching this video, and till the next video, take care and bye bye.